Today, let's talk about the Conquest 170. So the Conquest 170 is 8.5 feet wide, hydraulic suspension. It's 17 feet to the shoulder, plus the V. It's on an all aluminum frame, 90-inch interior height. The walls are a sit panel construction, structural insulated panels, very warm, designed for the abuse and rigors of ice fishing, and just built stout and ready to go. One thing to note too on the tongues is there's no cranking. It's a hydraulic jack on the front, so there's no pivot point necessary. So it's just less moving, less to go wrong. This propane tank can hold 20 or 30 pound tanks. And as you see right here, this is actually a 3M vinyl stripe that we put over the top of the gel coat just to protect it as you're going down the road from rock chips, and it's just going to protect that gel coat exterior. So this one's equipped with the LED light strip, as you can see, interior and exterior. You also have these work lights. There's one on the other side as well. So it's great when those resorts allow the half-ton trucks with the single axles. And they give you the go-ahead. It's time to rock and roll. So right over the wheel well, we have a nice countertop there that you can load with stuff, storage, optional cabinets up top, of course the under cabinet light. This elevator bed is California Queen, so it's really big. It's you can comfortably sleep two up there, and it just stows away nicely up against the ceiling when you want space to fish down below. This couch turns into a rollover couch, so that also turns into a bed. And then you have 5 angling holes in front of it. So if you want to drop down a live scope and fish a couple lines, or however you want to fish it, the opportunity's there. This one's also equipped with this whole cabinet on top is optional. If you want the fridge in the cabinet, we can certainly do that. It provides a lot more storage. And if you want to use this for camping, that's when the fridge and the freezer is nice. But otherwise, you can get it just as a standard countertop like that. We have a 32-inch TV to view from these back seats, and then a full kitchen up front. On the way up to the kitchen, a couple things to note. We have the AC unit on these units, so it's great for summertime use. Every heater is equipped with a fan to keep that air cycling and keep you comfortable and warm. So this one has a Truma forced air heater underneath there. You have a vent blowing in the bathroom and midship and to the rear of the ship. And note all the cabinet space up front. It's just great for putting your food, your snacks, your gear, whatever you need to. You have the whole control panel right here. Controls the Truma forced air heat, the fan, as well as all the lights. 3 holes at a proper distance in front of this rollover couch, ready for fishing, and then the tip-up bunk. So it's nice tipping that up out of the way when it's time to fish, but otherwise it's at an optimal height, so you can still be sitting underneath it and not hit your head on it if someone wants to be sleeping up there. This one's equipped with the stove and the oven, as well as the microwave and the vented hood, which vents to the outside, which is super nice while you're cooking. Let's take a peek at the bathroom here. So this one has the dry flush toilet, so there's no water necessary. It just works like a diaper genie. If you're not familiar, we have videos on how they work, but really handy to have. We have the battery storage right here. These come standard with 2 batteries. One that's designed for to use for the actual vehicle itself, powers all the lights and everything else, 12 volt. And the other one is dedicated just to the hydraulic system, which is nice because if you do drain your battery inside the vehicle, it's nice to have a designated battery for that hydraulic system, so you're not dead in the water. Nice control center up here. You get the fuses and all the relays behind there and all the wiring, and you get the master on and off battery switch. A couple more coat hooks, and this is the Conquest 170, 17 feet, 90-inch interior height, single axle, hydraulic suspension. You can get them in white, gray, black, or olive. Just for reference, there's the gray, and here's the olive. This is the Sportsman, and that's the Conquest 220. We have separate videos on those. This has been the Conquest 170. Thanks for tuning in.